Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to chat in Zoho. Whether you're new to Zoho or just need a quick refresher, we've got you covered. In the next few minutes, we'll walk you through simple steps to get you chatting effortlessly using Zoho Click, the seamless communication tool. First, to start the process, you'll need to log into Zoho Click. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho Click login page. Enter your credentials, and once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Having a stable internet connection will make the whole experience smoother and faster. Now you're ready to start chatting. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a panel displaying several options. What we're focusing on is the Chats tab. This section is the hub for all your communications, bringing together every conversation you participate in. Go ahead and click on Chats. This is your gateway to interacting with colleagues, teammates, or anyone else connected through Zoho. Under this section, you'll notice a segment called Conversations. This lists all the users or groups you've previously engaged with or are currently active in. Take a moment to scan through the list. You may see frequent contacts or active group chats depending on your past activity. Next, scroll through and select the user or group you want to chat with. Click their name to open the chat window where you can start typing your message. Remember, communication is all about clarity and kindness. Take a moment to draft your message carefully before hitting send. Zoho Click also supports features like file sharing, video calls, and more, making it versatile for both casual chats and professional discussions. As you navigate the platform and engage in conversations, don't hesitate to explore additional functionalities that could enhance your experience. Customizing your settings or notifications might help you manage your conversations more efficiently. And there you have it. It's that simple to start chatting on Zoho. By following these steps, you're now ready to communicate seamlessly on Zoho Click. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy chatting.